Okay guys, here I am at the workbench with a little input on the difference between a design sketch, which is used to organize thoughts or share an idea, and here's some examples. So you can see these are technical sketches that I use to show an idea. Or sometimes, like in this one, I was using it to figure out how I would build a roof on this birdhouse. Alright? Those are different from plans. So plans are technical drawings that show the details of a part. So like on these plans here, these are computer drawn plans. You can see this is one part and it shows the top, the front, and the right side view. That's a typical arrangement. And it shows all the little dimensions that tell you how big it is. So here's another plan for a different part. On this hand-drawn plan, I have 4 parts. So here is one part, but there's the front, the top, the right side view, and there's an isometric of this part, and you can see there's dimensions on there that show the details. Here's a different part, but there's the front, the top view, the right side view, and there's the isometric with the details. And that goes on this set of plans, and these are a little bit different. There's a top view and a front view. Those are more architectural plans, but here's a plan for an assembly. So all these door plans that are over here, this is how it would assemble into this assembly drawing. So plans, which are more detailed technical drawings, and design sketches, which are primarily to share an idea or organize your own thoughts. Hopefully that clarifies the difference.